Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to use markup tools and draw in notes in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So first of all, open in notes and open notes, and here you can see the option markup. Click on it. You can see many options. You can use pen, highlighter. If you want to erase something, then you can erase. And scale for draw straight line. This way to use markup tools and draw in notes. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.